Hey there, football fans. Welcome to this quick guide on fixing the Dofu NFL Football app that's not working in 2025. If you're frustrated because the app is crashing, freezing, or just won't load your favorite games, don't worry, we've got you covered. I'm going to walk you through simple, step-by-step solutions that should get you back in the game in no time. Let's dive right in. First off, the most common reasons for app issues in 2025 could be outdated software, internet problems, or cached data glitches. Start by checking your internet connection. Make sure you're on a stable Wi-Fi or cellular network, as Dofu requires a strong connection to stream live NFL action. Next, try restarting your device. This is a classic fix that often resolves temporary glitches. Simply power off your phone or tablet, wait 30 seconds, and turn it back on. Then, open the app again and see if it's working better. If that doesn't help, head to your App Store, whether it's Google Play or the Apple App Store, and check for updates. In 2025, apps like Dofu get regular updates to fix bugs and improve performance, so installing the latest version is crucial. Another effective step is to clear the app's cache. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Dofu, Storage, Clear Cache. For iOS users, you might need to offload the app or restart your device to achieve a similar effect. This clears out any corrupted data that's causing the problem. If you're still facing issues, try reinstalling the app. Uninstall Dofu from your device, then download and install it fresh from the App Store. Remember to log back in with your account to restore your preferences. One more tip. If none of these work, check for any server-side problems on Dofu's official website or social media. Sometimes, outages happen, and it's not on your end. Also, ensure your device meets the app's minimum requirements for 2025, like iOS 17 or Android 14. There you have it, easy fixes to get your Dofu app running smoothly. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one. Go team!